Thank you AI Arty for sponsoring this video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix and enhance photos in AI Arty Image Enhancer. Let's get to it. This is what you'll see when you open the Image Enhancer. Click on this arrow to upload your photos. These photos are either low resolution, blurry, or noisy, and I'm going to show you how to get an amazing high-quality photo out of these. Highlight them all and click Open to import the photos. At the bottom, you can see all the photos and you can select which one you want to enhance. As you can see, this photo has a little bit of noise since it was shot in the evening. We have to apply noise reduction and upscale it. Before we start, here's a brief overview of the different AI models. The first one is optimized for low-resolution photos. The next one is best for low-detail photos like cartoons or AI-generated photos. The last one is best for enhancing already high-resolution photos. Since this one is already a pretty high-resolution photo and we mostly only need denoising, I'll choose the Real Photo V3 model. I'll also upscale it 2 times. Here are the results, and keep in mind, the processing only took 5 seconds, which is insane. As you can see, it removed all of the noise while also doubling the resolution. You can also enable 2-pass processing for even better results. There's also an option for face restoration, but since I only shoot cars, I don't need it. The image prompt option allows you to keep the original prompt from an AI image generator so the enhancer knows what to retouch. And the text option is obviously for adding text. Now let's see the results with 2-pass processing and then move on to the other photos. This next photo is already high resolution but still blurry. We don't need to upscale it anymore, so I'll change the scale amount to 1x. As for the AI model, I'll keep it at Real Photo. Now would you look at that? Insane difference in deblurring the image. Let's see how it did on the text. You can now actually see what the signs say. Let's try another AI model so I can show you how easily you can compare the results. Once it is processed, you can easily switch between the models to see which one gives the best result. Next, we have a very low-resolution photo. As you can see here, it's 1080 by 608, which is not great. Let's upscale it to 4K resolution so it looks better on Instagram, for example. I'll keep the AI model the same. It might not look like it changed much at first, but once we zoom in and look more carefully, you can see how much better it turned out. And keep in mind, it's upscaled almost 4 times, which is just insane. This one, again, is very blurry, so let's see how well I can save it. I'll upscale it 2 times and keep the AI model at more detail, since that worked best for the last blurry photo. Once again, insane results. Obviously, the small badge looks a bit wonky since the AI didn't have much reference to base it on, but from a viewing distance, it looks flawless. Now that all the images are enhanced, I'll show you how to export them all. Click on Export Settings. Choose the format, DPI, and Quality. I'll keep all of them as they are since there's no need for me to change them. You can change the output path to any folder where you want to store the images. Choose Batch Export if you want to export them all. That's basically how you use it. Pretty simple. That's basically it.